How to customize which apps are allowed during downtime on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we go down and then tap on screen time. Okay, in here, tap on downtime and make sure you schedule downtime or you turn on downtime, and then we go back. And then we go down to always allow. In here, some apps that already allowed during downtime. So let's just remove a few that I don't want to include. And let's go down the list here and choose an app that you want to allow during downtime. So Netflix might be one of them. So I will select Netflix. And then you can go down here and continue to choose any other app that you want to allow during downtime, such as the weather app. Okay, so at the top here are all the apps that allow during downtime. So we've got Netflix, weather, maps, FaceTime, messages. So here, if I go back into downtime and manually turn on downtime into schedule, and you can see that downtime will be turn on. So some apps are available. Some apps, default apps are turned on by default. The phone application, Safari, and messages and health. But other apps that you have installed can also be controlled. Now you can see here the weather app is enabled. What other apps that we have turned on? So we've got Netflix. It's not on my home screen, so I can go into my app library and look for Netflix. So if I type it in, Netflix. So we can't find Netflix in my app library. So perhaps we try another one. So in here, I go back in and choose always allow. So let's add in an app, say Chrome. So we add in Chrome. Okay, so Chrome's in there now. So I tap on the back key. So we go and find Chrome. So at the moment, it's still being gray out. So because sometimes when you apply settings, it will not apply straight away. Here you can see Chrome is available for me to open during downtime. So if I go back into settings now and go into always allow, and if I remove Chrome, you can see that Chrome will now be disabled. Again, it might not happen straight away when we apply the settings. It might need to take some time. And there it is. So now Chrome has been grayed out. So I need to manually ignore the limit. Otherwise, it is being grayed out during downtime. And that's it. That is how you can customize apps, which apps are allowed during downtime on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.